Alright, so I'm going to be explaining the law of sines. Now, first of all, what is the law of sines and why do we use it? What does it do? Well, the law of sines relates the sine of each angle to the length of the opposite side. What does that mean? Well, say you have this triangle ABC, with sides A, B, and C. Now, using the law of sines, if you are given two sides and an angle, or if you are given two angles and a side, you can find the measures of the missing angles and the lengths of the missing sides using the law of sines. Now, the law of sines states that the sine of angle A, so sine the angle A, over side A, is equivalent to sine the angle B over side B, which is equivalent to sine the angle C over side C. So we're going to solve an example, and we're going to find in this triangle the length of side BC. So we want to find the length of side BC. Now, first of all, we have A given to be 48 degrees, and we have B given to be 93 degrees, and we have side AC given to be 15. So first of all, we're going to say that sine A over A equals sine B over B. What is sine A? Well, A, as we said before, is 48 degrees. So instead of A, we're going to put in 48 degrees over BC. Now, this is BC, which is basically side A, since it's opposite to the angle A, which is missing and we want to find. This is equivalent to sine the angle B, which is 93 degrees, over side B, which is side AC basically, which is equivalent to 15. So sine 93 degrees over 15. Now, after using cross multiplication, BC will equal to 15 times sine 48 over sine 93. Now, after using your calculator to find out how much will that equal to be, you will find that it turns out to be 11.16247.016. So here's another example. In this example, we're going to find the measure of an angle instead of the length of a side as we did in the earlier example. So here we have triangle RST, and we have side ST given to be 18, and we have side RT given to be 11, and we have angle R given to be 120 degrees. So first of all, we can say that sine the angle R, which is 120, over side R, which is 18, is equivalent to sine the angle S, which is missing and we want to find, over 11, which is side S, which is also side RT. Now, we're going to do cross multiplication again, and sine S will equal to sine 120 times 11 over 118. Over 18, sorry. So 11 times sine 120 over 18. Now, in order to find the measurement of angle S, we're going to use the inverse sine operation, and then between brackets, we're going to put 11 times sine 120 over 18. So put that in your calculator, and you will find out that the measurement of angle S is about 32 degrees. So here's our last example, which is a real-life application in order to see how you can use the law of sines in the real life, in the real world. So here, this is a rescue boat that has spotted this lost hiker on the edge of a rock shelf. You want to know how far is the boat from the hiker. So we're going to find this length, which is X. We're going to call it X. So first of all, the sine of 35 degrees, the sine of this angle over the side opposite to it, which is 66, is equivalent to sine 68 degrees over X, which is missing and we want to find. So we write that down, and then using cross multiplication, you'll find out that X is equivalent to sine 68 times 66 over sine 35. So sine 68 times 66 over sine 35. Put that in your calculator and you will find out that x is equivalent to 106.6887175, which is approximately 107 feet. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching.